In this video, we will show you how to make a simple column chart. They are perfect for displaying different categories across a number of years. Firstly, go to the Automated Excel add-in and select the column template. Then select the cell where you would like to generate the template. Now specify the number of time periods to create, and then specify the number of categories to create. Finally, update the template for the labels and data you require. The charts can either be populated directly or linked to existing data, as shown in this video. If you don't already have the Automated Excel Professional version add-in, this is available on our website at automatedexcel.com or via the link in the description below. With the use of the Automated Excel Professional version add-in, you can make your charts more effective, consistent, and efficient. For more templates and tips, please subscribe, check out our other videos, or go to our website, automatedexcel.com.